There you go, there you go. Can your Tesla do that? I mean, it's faster than me, but does it sound better? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Is this for the women in Iran?
Yes, sir.
Oh, for the women, right? Yes, okay, nice. I just wanted to know.
Yes, sir.
Sounds good. Thank you. Thank you. I want to show you guys this. This whole street is filled up with people in support of the women of Iran. So let's show you guys. There we go. Here we are. I like this. Look at this, guys. All these people are out here for one reason, and that's the women being oppressed in Iran. All love and support for the women in Iran. Oh my God. Cops are the only ones here when the light turns red. I'm not surprised. Man, I haven't been to Huntington Beach in, man, a minute. I haven't been here in a minute. It's been like months too. I have not gone out, man. I've just been working, focusing on my Instagram reels. If you guys haven't noticed, I just got to 22,000 followers on Instagram. Yay. Doesn't change a thing. I'm still broke. But at least I got my bike. That was an Aprilia. That was cool. What the fuck? All that just to get right here? All that and for what? Alright guys, my friends are already there. So they're already at the end of over here at PCH. We're gonna go out to eat, take some rollers for sure, and we have a car meet at 5 o'clock. Actually, this watch is not working. It's been frozen for like 3 days, so I don't know why I checked it. What's up, boo-boo? My CA Corvette. Grandpa's in it. Nice. Hey, we're here, but I don't see you or the bikes. I'm down Main.
You actually passed us. You turned the other direction.
Oh, my bad. Oh, I thought when you said the end of Main Street, I went over there.
At Main Street? Oh, for
the middle.
Right here.
Got you. Perfect. Yo. Oh my God, it's so slippery. That's not good, bro. Oh my. Hey, what's up, bro? Nice suit. Okay. Wow. Yo, what's up, gang? What's up, gang? Damn, I missed you guys. Okay. Sheesh. Oh, one, baby. I like that track shoot with the Nikes. We just got done taking some rollers of my friends, but they left, so we went to go eat. We got some rollers. They had to leave for, you know, their thing, so no way. Yo, that's sick. Yo, that's sick as fuck. I wish this man probably would. Oh, 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh shit, I didn't even know that fucking did that. What the fuck? I had no clue that that left turn was like that. My nuts! Oh fuck! Sheesh! My fucking nut sacks. That fucking hurt. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna skip right.